coefficient of x square is not 1, we will see how we can factorize it. The method is same, sum and product method we are using here, but there is a slight difference. After finding the numbers, there is slight difference, and in the beginning also, when you write the sum and when you write the product, there is a small difference. So I will write one question for you here. Okay. So the question is 2x square plus 9x plus 9. Okay. So now you can see coefficient of x square. The number with x square is not 1, it is 2. It can be 3, 4 or any number. Okay, it depends. Okay. So we will find out it. So just see sum. Sum will be the same. Sum is the number with x. So sum is 9. Okay, there is no change. It's same like what we did in the previous thing. Then product. Product, when you write the product, it must be 9 times 2. The constant number times, this will be the sum and the product will be 9 times 2, that is 18. Directly write 18. Now you can find two numbers. Okay, so you can find two numbers. 18, how can you split 18? 1 and 18, we cannot get 9 as m, no way. 2 and 9, 2 and 9 also, when you can get 7, you can get 11, but you won't get 9. Okay, so this is not the pair. Then 3 and 6, yeah, 3 times 6 is 18, yeah, 3 plus 6 is 9. So the numbers are 3 times 6 and 3 plus 6 is 9. So now don't write, if you are writing x plus 3 times x plus 6, okay, it is wrong, because when you multiply this you won't get the same answer. So you cannot write like this. If the coefficient of x square is not 1, the method is different. Okay, so how can we find it? How can we factorize it? See, write the same question. I will write here 2x square plus 9x plus 9. Okay, then 2x square and 9. I am not writing this 9x. I am splitting this 9x. We got what? 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. We got the numbers here is 3 and 6, right? So we are going to split the 9x. So 9x will become 3x plus 6x. What is 3x plus 6x is 9x. Okay, now we can split like this, first two terms and the last two terms. Take the common terms outside, like 2x square and 3x. What is common here? We have only one x is common. So take the x outside. So the remaining term will be 2x. Here we took x, so the remaining is 3. So like this you will get. Okay, just a second. Okay, then 6x and 9. 6x and 9. 3 is common there. So you can take 3 outside. So here 2x plus 3 will be remaining. So now you can see, I will just highlight it for you. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. So you can take 2x plus 3 out. So 2x plus 3 times, what is remaining? X. Here 3, so x plus 3. So this is the factorization of quadratic expression with coefficient of x square is not 1. The same sum and product method, but you cannot directly write the factors as we did in the previous one. You have to split the middle term. Okay, so I will do one more question for you. I hope if you have negative numbers, it will be better, right? Let me check for any negative number. No need. We will take a positive, then we will see. Okay, we'll see past paper question after this. Then we will check for negative one. Okay, so the next question is 3x square plus 10x plus 7. 3x square plus 10x plus 7. So the method is called sum and product method. So sum is the number with x, that is 10. Okay, product we have the constant number times the coefficient of x square. So 7 times 3, it is 21. Okay, now we need to find two numbers, so sum is 10 and product is 7. So how can we split 21? 21 you can take 1 times 21. We cannot get the sum will not be 10. Then 2 is not possible. 3 times 7. Okay, 3 times 7 is 10. So yeah, sum is 10. So 3 plus 7 and 3 times 7. So write the same question. 3x square plus 10x plus 7. So we are going to split this 10x like 3x plus 7x. Okay. So 3x square plus 10x will be 3x plus 7x plus 7. Okay. Now what is the common here? Here the number 3 is common and also x is common. So take 3x outside. So only one x is remaining. X plus. Here 3x we already took. So 1 is remaining. Okay, here 7x and 7, so we have plus 7 is common, so take the 7 out, so x plus 1. So now we can highlight it. So x plus 1 is common for both the terms, so take x plus 1 outside, so that you will get x plus 1 in bracket 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7. Okay, so with the negative we will be discussing when we discuss the past paper questions. Okay, so these are the main questions of factorizing quadratic expressions with the coefficient of x square is not 1. That's it. This is the method. If you have any question like negative or positive, if you have negative numbers here, suppose if it is minus 10x, sum will be minus 10. If you have minus 7 here, the product will be minus 7 times 3, that is product will be minus 21. According to that, you have to change the numbers here, like what we did in the previous one. You remember, right? Previous part. Okay, the same method you can follow and find out two numbers. Then here you need to split the middle term. Okay, I hope this part is clear for you. So the last type of factorization is